Hey guys, welcome back to another DeltaMath tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at a section called Subtraction as adding the opposite, level 1. Now, that's kind of a confusing name. What exactly does it mean? Well, let's take a look at the question and some of our answers and see if we can kind of decipher what exactly is going on here. This says, which expression has the same value as 4x minus 3y? Well, there's an expression and we want something that has the same value as it, aka an equivalent expression. So maybe just another way of writing the same thing. So let's make a couple of notes about the expression that's currently written here. We have a 4x at the beginning, and I want to make sure I note its sign. It is a positive 4x. And then what about the 3y? What's special about it? It's negative, right? So I want to make sure I know those two pieces of information. They're really critical going into looking at my answers. So let's kind of take a look and see what we have here. So the first one says 3y minus 4x. Well, my 3y there, what is it? It's positive, right? And my 3y is negative in the question. So that one's out. No good. Let's look at the next one. It says negative 3y minus 4x. Okay, well, 3y has a minus sign in front of it. It's negative. That's good. That's the same as it was in the problem here. But then it says minus 4x, and that's not good, right? That's not correct, because my original problem had 4x being positive. So this one's out too. Okay, so let's take a look at this third one. It says positive 4x. Okay, that's good. 4x was positive to begin with. Plus negative 3y. Okay, so now we come to this situation where we have plus a negative, and we need to make sure we know what exactly that's saying. Anytime you see something like this that says plus a negative number or minus a positive number, both of those actually just mean subtraction. I know it's kind of weird that we would write it with both signs if we don't have to, but sometimes math problems are kind of tricky like that. But realistically, either of these can just be written as a minus sign. So this problem may as well just say 4x minus 3y instead of plus negative. And that's what we're looking for, right? That's the exact same expression as was in our question. So that feels like it's probably the right answer. I'm going to put a check mark there for now. But let's go ahead and look at that last one just to make sure we know why it isn't correct. So this one says negative 4x. Oh, well, I right off the bat, that's not a good sign, right? Because 4x should be positive. In our problem, it was positive. Now, plus negative 3y, that does make a negative 3y, of course, or a minus 3y. And that's what our problem had. But that 4x disqualifies it from contention. So let's go ahead and submit our answer here as we always do. While I'm doing this, please do be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are not already. It really does help me out. And look at that, we got the answer right. Okay, so if you have any questions about what we went over in the video today, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I will see you in another DeltaMath tutorial.